I used Windows 11 for almost 4 years, thinking it was an upgrade. New design, better performance, future ready. All that marketing, but after actually using it, yes, I went back to Windows 10. And here exactly why. Before anyone says you just hate change. No, I tested Windows 11, daily use, work, performance, stability. And after weeks of dealing with it, I realized something important. New doesn't always means better. Let me break down what Windows 11 did right and why Windows 10 still wins for me. No lies here, Windows 11 looks clean. Rounded corners, smooth animation, centered taskbar. Visually, it's the best Windows has ever looked. If that matters to you, Windows 11 delivers. TPM, secure boot, tighter system protection, great for businesses, and newer hardware. But here is the thing, most regular users don't feel this difference day to day. Microsoft is clearly building Windows 11 for long game. AI features, Copilot, tighter ecosystem control is a cool idea, but right now it feels unfinished. With the same hardware, Windows 10 felt snappier, more responsive, less background nonsense. Windows 11 sometimes lagged doing basic stuff. That alone was a red flag. Perfectly good for PC, suddenly labeled unsupported. TPM restrictions, CPU limits, for what? If your PC runs fine, it should be supported. Simple as that. Right click, menus, extra clicks, taskbar customization, limited. Basic options hidden behind layers of menus. It looks modern, but works slower. There's random issues, updates breaking stuff, features that feels half-baked. Windows 10, boring but solid, and that's a compliment. Why Windows 10 still wins for me is stable, predictable, works with almost everything, better performance on older and mid-range PCs. No forced redesign slowing you down. Windows 10 just get out of your way, and that matters. Windows 11 isn't trash, but it's not for everyone. If you care about performance, want stability, use your PC daily, for work or gaming, Windows 10 is still the smartest move. Sometimes upgrading is actually downgrading. If this helped you decide, hit likes. If you're still on Windows 11 and struggling, comment below. And subscribe if you want real tech talk, no hype. See you on next one. Peace.